The humidifier should be wired to its own breaker on the panel. To make the connection at the humidifier, bring the wires to the humidifier from the bottom, using the strain relief closest to the power terminals on the control board, which are at the bottom of the control board. If you have a 110 to 120 volt supply, wire the hot wire to L1, the neutral to L2/N, and the ground to ground, labeled GND. If you have a 220 to 240 volt supply, the hot wires are wired to L1 and L2, and the ground to ground. Our unit accommodates all three power configurations. Only one SKU is needed. The last thing we need to do to finish the physical installation is wire up the controls. This is the topic that generates the most questions simply because there are so many different control devices out there. For this installation, we'll use the sensor that's included in the box. Wire it up by connecting the humidifier's 24 VDC terminal to the sensor's 24 volt terminal. Connect the ground terminals to each other and connect the H out terminal from the sensor to the humidifier's HUM terminal. Another optional control device is an air proving switch. This safety device ensures that there's airflow in the duct when the humidifier is operating. We don't want steam in the duct unless there's airflow. To wire an air proving switch, use the two SC terminals on the humidifier's control board. Another way to accomplish this without the need of an air proving switch is to wire the humidifier to the furnace's control board. The GF terminal from the humidifier can be wired to the furnace's G terminal, and the RF terminal from the humidifier can be wired to the furnace's R terminal. This way, whenever there's a call for humidity, the humidifier will send a signal to the furnace to kick the fan on, which will give us airflow in the duct. If the fan's already on, it'll keep running like normal.